In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide members in a Telegram group. This is a really useful privacy feature if you're managing a community, running a business group, or just want to keep your member list private from other participants. Whether you want full privacy or just want to control what members can see and do, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to the group where you want to hide the member list. Once you're in the group, tap on the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group information page where you can access all the settings. Now, tap on the edit button. On iPhone, this will be a pencil icon in the top right corner. On Android, you'll see edit or a similar option. Next, scroll down and look for the group type section. Tap on it to expand the privacy options. Here, you'll see two options, public and private. To hide the members list, select private. This ensures that only group admins can see the full member list and regular members won't be able to view who else is in the group unless they're already in each other's contacts. Once you've selected private, tap save or the check mark to confirm the changes. Your group is now set to private and the member list is hidden from regular participants. Now, if you want even more control over what members can do inside the group, there's another method. Open your group again and tap on the group name at the top. Then tap edit just like before. This time scroll down and find the section labeled permissions. Tap on it to open the permission settings. Here you can adjust what members are allowed to do inside the group. You can control whether members can send messages, add new users, pin messages, or change group info. Toggle each option on or off depending on how much control you want to give your members. For example, if you only want admins to add users, turn off the add users option. If you want to prevent members from pinning messages, disable that as well. Once you've adjusted the permissions to your liking, tap save or the check mark to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the member list in your Telegram group and customized the permissions to control what members can do. This gives you full control over privacy and group management. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.